Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about pest of potato and chilies. Then first is potato, then very important pest of potato, tuber moth. The scientific name Phathoremia opaculella. Then family Galachidae, order Lepidoptera. Economic importance. It is a cosmopolitan pest found in a warmer countries throughout the world. Marks of identification: moth is small, narrow, winged, and grayish brown. It is a nocturnal in habits. Caterpillar is small, pinkish, white, or pale greenish with dark brown head. And host plant: the caterpillar are reported to feed on leaf of potato, brinjal, tobacco, and tomato in field. But potato tuber under storage are most vulnerable to its attack. And potato tuber moth also attack on storage. And nature of damage: in early stage of crop growth, the pest is injured to plant as leaf miner. It also bore into petiole and terminal shoots. The main danger is to tubers both in the field and under storage. The caterpillar bore the tubers and feed on the pulp. As a result, potato tuber roots are present of black extra near the aviars, help to detect its presence in the tubers. On cutting such tubers, one can find the larva in the pulp. Then life history: eggs 150 to 200 eggs are laid singly near the aviars of exposed tubers, or sometimes the underside of leaves. Then incubation period 3 to 6 days. Then larval period 2 to 3 weeks. Then pupation in the soil. In earthen cocoons, pupal period is 7 to 10 days. And then life cycle total period about 4 weeks. Then number of generation 8 to 9 per year. Then management practices in field. Then timely earthing of the crop to cover the exposed tuber help in the reducing the internally of infestation. Then spray of 1.5% Carbaryl and 0.05% quinal pos at 60 days after planting. Then herbs of harvesting potato should not be kept exposed in the field but covered with straw, and the infested tubers should be rejected before storage. Then release of egg larva parachute at the rate 20,000 molecules per hectare at the 7 days interval starting 45 days after planting, or release of eggs larval parasite Chilonas blackbody at the rate 60,000 adults per hectare in 4-week release at weekly interval found to reduce infestation by 50 to 55%. Then management in storage: the potatoes should be stored in a well ventilated, cool and dry place with temperature not exceeding 21 degrees centigrade. Then covering over tubers with 2 to 30 centimeter layers of dry sand and heap is highly effective remedy against the pest. Then fumigant the tubers with CS2 at the rate 1 kg per 27 cubic meter for 24 hours at 70 degree Fahrenheit. And walls of godown should be sprayed with 0.15% Carbaryl at the interval of 3 months. And treatment of seed potato tuber with 5% malathion dust at the rate 125 gram per 100 kg is reported to offer good protection against the pest. Such treated potatoes, however, should not be used for consumption. In cold storage facilities are available, the produce can be safely stored for a longer period. Then release of egg larval parasitoid and Black Boni, larvae Black Boni at the rate 2000 adults per quintal tubers in storage help in reducing the intensity of infestation. Then application of BT powder at the rate 100 gram per quintal tubers in storage also found effective in reducing the infestation of pest. Then pest of chilies, a major pest thrips. Scientific name Scathothrips dorsalis and Thrips tabaci, family Theripidae, order Thysanobacteria. Economic importance. In case of several infestation, 30 to 50% crop may lost. Also responsible for transplanting leaf curl disease. The marks of identification: adult minute delicate insect less than 1 mm long and yellow in color. The wings are fringed with hair, nymph more minutes and wingless. Then host plant, polyphagus onion. This is polyphagus for onion, chili, brinjal, bhindi, cotton, mango, and bottle gourd. The nature of damage: the thieves escape the epidermis of leaf and suck the oozing sap. The damaged plant tissue initially become whitish, later brown, and ultimately dry. As a result, leaves curl and become small. Such symptoms locally known as murda and bokadwa. Then life cycle, both sexual and pathogenetically reproduction occurs. Eggs, female laid about 50 to 60 fertilized or unfertilized eggs inside the leaf tissue, generally on the lower side of the leaf. Total incubation period is 4 to 5 days. Larval period is 6 to 8 days, and pupa, pre-pupal and pupal period are generally found in soil at a depth of 2.5 to 5 centimeter for uh, 4 to 6 days. The pest is more active during later parts of monsoon season, especially is a dry season. Then management practices. Management practices: eggs 60 to 400. Then management practices. Management nursery treatment, for 10 g 70 gram per meter square, and spray with 0.03% dimethoate and 0.05% monocrotophos as soon as infection is noticed. NSK 5% or cypermethrin 0.01%. Then this is two major pests of potato and chilies. Thank you.